The Auckland Harbour Bridge bears the full brunt of our weather. From high winds to rain and sea spray, it all takes a toll on this ageing piece of infrastructure.
This bridge couldn't really be more exposed to the elements than sat in the middle of the Waitematā Harbour. Every day it's sat out here in the marine environment with the wind and the rain and the sea. It does over time take a toll on the structure, which is why we see the increase in maintenance efforts to keep the bridge in service.
Every day, crews carry out inspections and preventative maintenance to help protect the bridge from this harsh environment. It's to keep ahead of possible issues like corrosion caused by the sea spray, and often those travelling across the bridge wouldn't even know it's happening.
We plan all of the work to minimise disruption to the public as much as possible. A huge amount of that work happens underneath the road deck, so it's hidden from the traffic going over the top of the bridge. When we do need to work on top of the bridge, it's usually undertaken during night closures to minimise that disruption as much as possible.
At times though, when the weather gets really rough, we may need to reduce speed or close lanes to help protect drivers and the bridge from structural damage.
Lane 4 southbound.
Conditions on the highest point of the bridge are usually a lot more intense than those on the ground.
It is an elevated structure that's exposed over water, and there's less structure around it, less trees, less properties, so weather effects are generally felt a bit more on the structure. We follow differing thresholds to ensure that the treatment is appropriate for the right wind conditions at that point of time. Unfortunately, as with weather, it is quite unpredictable, but we do deal with the information in real time and respond accordingly.
The priority here is to keep the bridge working at its best as demand increases. Every day, 170,000 vehicles use the crossing, and it's an important route for freight.
As Auckland grows as a whole, demand on the network will not be decreasing anytime soon.
The main objective of our team here is to balance efficient maintenance against keeping the bridge functioning in its current level of service. The goal of all the work we should do on the bridge is keeping the traffic flowing over it.
And as the bridge approaches 67 this month, it's work that's needed more than ever to keep Auckland moving.